Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic push-up workout routine designed specifically for beginners. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. First things first, let's start with 10 push-ups. This will be our warm-up, and will help you get into the groove of the workout. Remember to maintain proper form by keeping your body in a straight line, from head to toe, and lowering yourself down until your chest almost touches the ground. Then, push back up, repeating the movement for 10 reps. Next up, we're moving to an exercise called a box jump. The key here is to jump as high as possible, but make sure you land softly and safely on your feet. Aim for 10 successful jumps before continuing with our routine. The third exercise in our warm-up is the burpee, one of the most intense exercises out there. To execute it properly, start in a high plank position, and then squat down until your chest almost touches the ground. From there, jump back up into a standing position, with arms raised above your head. Perform 10 reps before moving on to the next exercise. Finally, we have an exercise called clapping push-ups. It sounds easy, but trust me, it's not. To perform it correctly, start with a standard push-up, and as you push yourself up from a normal push-up position, clap your hands together before bringing them back down to the ground. Repeat this process for 10 reps, and then take a well-deserved break. And that wraps up our beginner's push-up workout routine. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.